In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Divi Builder in WordPress. We'll walk through this using the WordPress.com dashboard so you can see exactly where to click and what to expect. First, sign into your WordPress.com account and head to the Sites page. This is your central hub for managing any sites connected to your account. From here, open your Sites dashboard and look for the Plugins option in the left-hand menu. Clicking Plugins takes you to the WordPress.com plugin marketplace, where you can browse and manage extensions for your site. Use the search bar at the top and type Divi Builder. You'll see a range of results related to Divi. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on the add-on called Content Visibility for Divi Builder. This plugin extends what you can do with Divi by letting you control who sees specific modules or sections. If you see a link with the plugin author's name on the result card, click it to open the full plugin details view. Then click the plugin title, Content Visibility for Divi Builder, to open its dedicated page. Before installing any plugin, it's smart to review the information tabs. Start with the Description tab to understand the features and how it complements Divi. Switch to the Installation tab to confirm any prerequisites and to see if there are special steps for WordPress.com sites versus self-hosted sites. The Changelog tab shows recent updates, which helps you gauge how actively the plugin is maintained. The FAQs tab often answers common setup issues or compatibility questions. Finally, take a quick look at related plugins. This is handy if you want alternatives or companion tools for Divi-based sites. When you're ready, click Get Started. On WordPress.com, adding a plugin may prompt you to either select or connect a domain and confirm a plan that supports plugins. If you're choosing a new domain, use the Search Domains option to find something that fits your brand. If you already own a domain, select the Already Have a Domain option to connect it instead. Follow the on-screen prompts and click Continue to proceed. A quick note: plugins on WordPress.com require a plan that supports plugin installations. If you don't see the option to install, you may be asked to upgrade as part of this flow. Once you've completed the prompts, WordPress.com will guide you through finishing the plugin setup. After that, you can return to your dashboard, where the plugin will be available for you to manage and use with Divi. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready for you to start building.